How does the Copyright Act of 1976 define public domain? Imagine a world where creative works are locked away forever, or where they become free for everyone to use. That's what the concept of public domain is all about. The Copyright Act of 1976, which is the law that guides copyright rules in the United States, doesn't give a simple, clear-cut definition of public domain. Instead, it sets up the rules that tell us when a work moves into the public domain. Under this law, a work enters the public domain mainly when its copyright protection runs out. For works created after January 1, 1978, copyright lasts for the life of the creator plus 70 years. Once that time is up, the work is no longer protected by copyright and can be used freely by anyone. For example, if an author died 50 years ago, their book is now in the public domain. The law also covers works made before 1978. These works have more complicated rules. If a work was published before 1923, it is automatically in the public domain. For works published between 1923 and 1977, their copyright status depends on whether the copyright was renewed properly. If it wasn't renewed, the work might be in the public domain. Another way a work can enter the public domain is if the copyright owner didn't follow certain legal steps before 1978. These steps include registering the work or putting a copyright notice on it. If these formalities weren't met, the work could be free for everyone to use. Works created by United States government employees as part of their official duties are also in the public domain from the moment they are made. This means government reports, laws, and other official documents can be used freely without worry. Understanding when a work enters the public domain is important because it shows when you can use it without asking for permission. It also helps creators and businesses know what materials they can incorporate into their own projects without risking copyright infringement. In simple terms, the Copyright Act of 1976 doesn't give a single definition of public domain. Instead, it sets the rules about how long copyright protection lasts and when it ends. Once a work's copyright expires, it automatically becomes part of the public domain. This is a key part of how copyright, trademarks, and patents work together to balance protecting creators and allowing the public to benefit from creative works.